Welcome to RealSatisfied. Today, we'll show you how to use and set up RealSatisfied's WordPress plugin. Go to your dashboard's Publishing section and scroll down to Feeds and Widgets. Here, you can view the WordPress plugin. Click View Plugin to see the plugin on the WordPress site. This is the latest version of the WordPress plugin, which is called RealSatisfied Review Widget. Click Download to download the plugin, and then upload it to the /wp content/plugins/ directory, or install it directly from wordpress.org. Activate the plugin. Once activated, go to Appearance, then Widgets. Now, you need to decide where you want to place the RealSatisfied website widget. In the chosen section, click plus and search for the plugin. Click on the plugin. Now you can choose Mode, Agent, or Office. Add your vanity key. Set up the display behavior, and choose whether or not you want to display your profile photo. To save, click Update in the right-hand corner. Happy selling!